Fun fact: sugar is the only word in English that starts with su and makes a sh sound. Surely you can't be serious. I was gonna say what about shut and stopped halfway through. Well done, well done. Sean Connery would disagree with you. Got me in the first half for sure. Surely this isn't right. Suit the front door. Sugar sure is sweet. Are you sure about that? I certainly did. How about sugars? Surely you can't be serious. You should not be so sure about that. You learn new every day. Shit, I don't get it. This joke took a huge suit. Sure. Surely not. They're sugary. Sean and Siobhan sure love sugar. Surely you just make that sh sound too. Sigh. Sure. Scared face. Sure about that? Interesting. I fucking hate you. Fun fact: the word fun in fun fact is short for poorly researched. Sure it is. Oh, suit up. Whoosh, I don't get it.